Hello, this video is to show you how to export and build your project on a Raspberry Pi. I can't really demonstrate that because I don't have any Raspberry Pi video capture software, but I can certainly walk you through how it works and then show you the actual final build on a Raspberry Pi. So if you take your project and you just go to export and select Raspberry Pi, what will happen is your project will all be written out, and of course I'm in the debugger like I always am. It will put your project in a folder that has the project name followed by rpi with an underscore in the middle. So it's the project name underscore and then the target platform. Now, unfortunately, I could make this on this machine here, except that wouldn't compile because I'm trying to compile. Well, it's not going to run on a Raspberry Pi. I'm on a Windows machine right now. So what I need to do is actually run this whole thing, run Lantern on a Raspberry Pi, and I can do that if I just install the Mono Complete package, just sudo apt-get install Mono Complete, and then you can run Lantern on your Raspberry Pi and export it there. And when you do this, the same thing happens. The Lantern will create the folder with all your source code in it. And then all you have to do is just go into that folder and run make or sudo make, depending on how you have your permissions set up. So right now I've SSH'd into my Raspberry Pi, and you can see that here's my Lantern folder, and under that I'm in a project called Cave Slayer underscore RPI. This is one of my students' projects. And if I do an ls-l, you can see that there's a whole bunch of C files in here. And let's get rid of advent.out. And yeah, let's just clobber that. Okay, and then do a sudo make clean, boom. And let's just make sure that we do have a make file. Make. Yeah, so there's a make file right there. So when you write out your code, Lantern will also put a make file in there for you, and you just have to type make. And how about sudo make? There it is. So it's running G++, building your code, ls-lrt. What do we got? Advent.out. That's our program. So let's move, advent.out to, we'll call it, Slayer or whatever it was. I don't know, Cave Slayer. Okay. Sudo. Okay. And then I should be able to do. And there it is. So he actually put in kind of a menu about how to move. So, there's your game running on a Raspberry Pi. So if you need help getting that to work, just email me, flag me down, whatever. I'll be happy to help you resolve any issues you have building your software on the Raspberry Pi.